Today I am going to start chapter 3, exercise 3b. Question number 1. Give reason to show that none of numbers given below is a perfect square. There are 7 problems. Solution. Question number 1. We know that a number ending in 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. Hence, none of numbers 5372 5372 ending number is 2. So, this is not a perfect square. 5963 ending number is 3. This is also not a perfect square. 8457 ending number is 7. Is not a perfect square. 9468 ending number is 8. This is not a perfect square. 6360 odd number of zeros. That means 1 0. So odd number of zeros is not a perfect square. 64000 means odd number of zeros. So this is not a perfect square. And last one, 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. That means this number is also not a perfect square. 5 zeros means odd number of zeros. So question number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 all are not a perfect square. Now question number 2. Which of the following squares is even number? We know that the square of an even number is even. Question number 1. 196 is even. So 196 whole square is even. Question number 3. 900 is even. 900 whole square is even. Question number 5. 324 is even. 324 whole square is even number. And remaining number, question number 2, 441 is not even number, it is odd number. Question number 4, 625, this is also a odd number. Question number 3. Which of the following are squares of odd numbers? We know that the square of odd numbers is odd. There are 5 problems. 484. Question number 1. 484 number is not an odd number. Question number 2. 961 is odd. 961 whole square is odd number. Question number 4. 8649 is odd. 8649 whole square is odd number. Question number 5. 4225 is odd number. 4225 whole square is also odd. Question number 4. Without adding, find the sum. There are 3 questions. Question number 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. We know that sum of first n odd natural numbers equals to n square. All are these questions 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 all are odd numbers. The sum of first n odd numbers. Here is sum of first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 odd numbers. Equals to n odd natural numbers equals to n square. Here is value of n equals to 7. Therefore n square equals 7 square equals to 49. Similarly, question number 2, same process. Sum of first number of odd numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The sum of first 10 odd numbers, you know that n square, that means 10 square equals to 100. Question number 5, express 81 as the sum of 9 odd numbers. First 9 odd numbers are 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 81 equals to sum of first 9 odd numbers. 100 equals to sum of first 10 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 14 plus 17 plus 19 equals to 100. Question number 6. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest number is. There are 4 problems given. Question number 1, smallest number is 6 given. We know that for every natural number m is greater than 1, we have 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1 as a Pythagorean triplet. Now smallest number 2m equals to 6, m equals to 3. Putting the value of m equals to 3 in m square minus 1 and m square plus 1, we get m square minus 1 equals to value of m equals to 3. 3 square minus 1 equals to 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Next, m square plus 1 equals to value of m equals to 3. 3 square plus 1 equals to 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Thus, we get the triplet equals to 6, 8, 10. Now you will do remaining sums, same method. Question number 7. Evaluate 38 whole square minus 37 whole square. We know that we have n plus 1 whole square equals to n plus 1 in bracket plus n. Taking n equals to 37 and n plus 1 equals to 38. We get 38 whole square minus 37 whole square equals to n plus 1 equals to 38. Putting the value of n plus 1, 38, plus value of n equals to 37 equals to 38 plus 37 equals to 75. Question number 8. Using the formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Question number 1. 310 whole square. We can write 310, 300 plus 10 whole square. Here value of 300 equals to a and value of 10 equals to b. Now we know that a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a equals to 300, 300 whole square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into value of a equals to 300, value of b equals to 10 plus b square. Value of b equals to 10, 10 whole square. 300 whole square equals to 90,000 plus 3 to the 6, 6,000 plus 10 whole square means 100. Adding 90,000, 6,000 plus 100 equals to 96,100. This is the answer. You will do remaining sums, same method. Now question number 9. Using formula a minus b whole square, a square minus 2b plus b square. Question number 1, 196, we can write 196 whole square. we can write 196 means 200 minus 4. This is the form of a minus b whole square. 200 minus 4 whole square. Here value of a equals 200 minus value of b equals to 4 whole square. We can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square means 200 whole square minus 2ab minus 2 into value of a equals to 200, value of b equals to 4 plus b square. Value of b equals to 400 whole square. Next step, we can write 200 whole square means 40,000 minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, 1600 plus 4 whole square means 16. Adding at first 40,000 plus 16, 40,000, 16 minus 1600. 40,000, 16 minus 1600, we can write 38,416.